what's up bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another weekly episode where I respond to your questions and comments. But before we get to that bros, I need your help. I've created a subreddit and it'll be great, it'll be awesome if you guys could help me out by subscribing to my subreddit. I've included a link to it in the description box. Let me tell you why I created this subreddit. As you well know, Reddit is a place where people get together and discuss about anything under the sun, including tech. And then I noticed that a lot of tech YouTubers are also on Reddit, and they were able to use Reddit to generate more traffic towards their content and their YouTube channel. And that's when I decided to be more active on Reddit. So I went into subreddits, for example Apple's subreddit, and I responded to questions that people had about the AirPods 2, the new AirPods basically, and the new Powerbeats Pro, which was just leaked not too long ago. And I posted links to my videos. Later that day, I discovered that I got banned. I'm banned from the Apple subreddit. Okay, so I received a note from the moderators. Your excessive self-promotional comments to your own YouTube channel, disguised as constructive comments, is not appreciated in this sub. Goodbye. Huh. So that's why I created our very own subreddit. I want a space where we can all get together, build a community, and post whatever we want. So bros, I hope you can join me in our subreddit. Link is in the description box, okay? So, first question. This is from Animal92 commenting on my why Bluetooth earbuds always lag when gaming video. Can you try Bose Wireless Sport for PUBG gaming? Well, I think the product that you are referring to is the Bose SoundSport Free True Wireless Earphones. And from my personal experience, that one has terrible latency, okay? I actually tried them a long time ago, when it first came out in fact, and the latency performance was so bad, it was like half a second, the audio was half a second behind the video. So if we were to use them for gaming, the latency performance could be just as bad or even worse. But I don't know, maybe a software update could have fixed the problem. If you guys are using the SoundSport Free, tell me in the comment section below what's your current experience with them watching videos, okay? So, next question. This is from Dreaman84, commenting on my JBL Free X versus JBL Free video. JBL Free or Jaybird run, please! My short answer would be none of the above. Get the JBL Free X, it's got much better Bluetooth connection than the JBL Free, and it's much better value than the Jaybird run. At least that's how I feel. Next question, Domat or Domat, commenting on my B&O E8 2.0 versus Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds review. Is it true that the Sennheiser loses its charge on its own if left in the case? Yes, it's true. Okay, I discovered that what happens is when you put the Sennheisers back into the case to charge, what happens is, unlike other True Wireless earbuds, it doesn't go into standby mode and it will stay switched on and continue using up the battery until you disconnect it from your phone. So you gotta go into your phone settings and deactivate Bluetooth or unpair the earbuds, and then it will go into standby mode. So that's why it loses its charge. It's a stupid thing, and I hope that Sennheiser will rectify it as soon as possible. Next question. Joey Lee commenting on my Samsung Galaxy Buds custom EQ settings don't work on iPhone video. Will it auto connect to iPhone XS Max after I first paired? That mean in daily use, can it auto connect when I open Buds? Open Bluetooth 24. Sorry for poor English. It's okay, Joey. I sort of understand what you're trying to say here. You're asking if the buds connect to the iPhone automatically when you open the case. And the answer is no. You will have to take the buds out of the case, pair it to your phone the traditional way. You can only do that auto pairing thing with the Samsung Galaxy phone. You can't even do it with other Android phones like the Oppo R17 Pro. It doesn't work. Okay, next question. This one's more like a comment. Kev103 commenting my video about how to maintain your Sony 1000XM3 cushions. They deteriorate due to age, and no, you are incorrect about them in open air. I had two pairs from 1987 and the ones in the bag I never used. Did not deteriorate as fast, but as soon as I took them out of the bag, it fell apart. Okay, so the thing is, these cushions are more than 30 years old, so I don't expect them to last that long anyway. As soon as you expose them to the open air with the accompanying humidity, and not many people know this, the synthetic protein leather used in headphones cushions nowadays are quite different from the ones used in the 80s. Protein leather was invented in the mid-80s, yes, but it was only in 1987 when this company called Idemitsu Kosan, based in Japan, only started to manufacture protein leather in scale. And they first started making it for use in automobiles and furniture. And the benefits of protein leather compared to the regular synthetic leather that's common in the 80s is added breathability, so it's able to absorb and release moisture more readily. It's also more durable, feels less sticky to the skin, traps less heat, and feels a lot smoother than the common synthetic leather back in the 80s. So that's why it gained popularity, and gradually it began to be used more and more in headphones. So if your headphones cushions were made using that revolutionary material, very unlikely I know, but if it was so, I doubt they would have fallen apart as soon as you took them out of the bag. Anyway, that was a very good question. Next question. Musix9898 commenting on my JBL Free X versus JBL Free comparison video. Guys, I have one question. Can you watch films comfortably without delay with JBL Free X? No, I'm afraid not. There will be some delay. It's not super annoying like the Bose Soundsport Free, but it's still there, you'll notice it. Next question. Ahmad Bahar commenting on my Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth headphones review. Wow, very old video, but thank you for watching. Any problems with it in the long-term use? For example, does the padding wear out? The padding will wear out eventually. Eventually, you will have to replace the headphones or change the padding after the padding wears out. So I hope that answers your question. Next question. Gertie, sorry, I know I'm butchering your name. Commenting on my Mockvoy TicWatch Pro video. Where can I buy the lights that are behind you? Okay, so these are called the Nanoleaf light panels. I love them. I use them in all of my videos. And even when I'm not shooting videos, I just use them to jazz up my studio. And if you want to buy them, you can purchase them through the links in the description box. Of course, if you purchase through the links, I will receive an incentive from the sale. Of course, this helps to support the channel as well. So thank you for your support. If you decide to buy them, please buy them through the links. Next comment. Internet GB commenting on my JBL Free X versus JBL Free video. Have those glass frames got any lens? You mean these ones? These ones? No, these ones are hollow. No lens. But I wear them because I think I look better, much better with glasses. But at the same time, if I had actual lens in these, then you just see a whole lot of reflection. And that wouldn't really be very nice for the videos. Hence, you can say that these are props. I intend to wear them a lot more, by the way. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I will respond to them in the next episode of this weekly thing that I'm doing, just responding to your questions and comments. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my subreddit. Thank you guys so much for your help. My name is Aaron, you're watching Aaron's JBL&wireless, and if you like this video, please push that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to his channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way that you will get notified by YouTube, okay? So ring the bell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.